Adana, my princess, we are trying our best to see that we get you released from there.
We were told that only Queen Bianca can release you from this place. But now that we are sure you are in this place, we will go back and talk with her.
Yes.
Bianca is very wicked. She's mean. What did I ever do wrong to her? What?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will talk to her. I am her father. I will help you talk to her. I promise you that. Huh?
Please, help me reach out to Nwabuzi. He hasn't visited since I was brought here. Please tell him I would love to see him.
He will hear. I'll make sure of that. Let this police officer come now. When he come out,
Hey! There you go. They have duped me. This is scam. I have been scammed. Eh? What is all this? Hey! Why did I put my money in this thing? Can you see Corona, brother? Eh? Hey! Hey! These people have duped me. This is pure scam. Pure scam. Huh? Tanya! Tanya! Oh God! I've been duped. It's obvious I've been duped. Never!
Calm down. Nobody has duped you.
It's obvious I've been duped.
Calm down. See, calm down, Ibuka. I won't call him. All I want is for you to trade this thing. I have more money.
This trade. Since I came to this town with this money, you have been hammering trade. Trade. The trade I did not see. I have given my money. Eh? I have given money. Nothing to come out.
See, baby, my brother has been in this business for more than a year, and he's been cashing out even his friends.
Like this.
Mbaro,
this is not a good business.
It doesn't work like magic.
No, you have to
have patience.
That money I took work like magic for me. So the place I invested it should be like magic too. Eh? Call your brother. Tell him that I'm no longer interested. I remember.
Ibuka, see, all I want for you is for you to trade this thing and make more money so you can return the other one. That is it. I can't steal from you.
See, let me tell you. You see this thing I just say. You have been saying it, and I've been hearing it. I'm no longer interested. Eh? You want me to make money? The money I did not. I have given my money. Men are cashing out. This one are cashing out. My own is cashing in.
No, it is a process. It's a process. It's a gradual process. You have to calm down.
Oh. My money is not process. My money has from trade and entered process. Ha!
Can you just understand?
Hey, you go you borrow my money. Hey, you go you borrow my money. It's obvious that I'm using the grammar to qualify my money.
What I mean is that it takes time, little time, before you know it comes out. Like, it's a process. It's not magic. It doesn't work like magic.
The only business I know is buying and selling. I can come and get them. Do you understand? That's the only business I know. I told you. My friend I will start selling your property.
You have to calm down. Calm down.
Calm down. This is so above calm down.
See, even if you don't trust my brother, but at least you can trust me. I can, no matter the condition, I can't steal from you.
See, I don't trust. For the fact that he's your brother, has made me to lose interest. I'm no longer comfortable. Because your brother, I don't trust him.
Don't
you see, as it is.
Me?
See, your name is Tonya. Your name is not Faith. I don't longer have faith. The faith I have has gone with my money. Immediately my money went, faith followed it. Do you understand? So I no longer have faith. The way it is now, if I'm sleeping and you pass, you cross me with pen knife, I will wake up. I will wake up. If you cross with pen knife, I will jump up because I don't trust you again.
You don't trust me?
Yes, when you kill your boom.
No.
This morning
I cannot steal from you.
Then let my money come out.
We have come a long way.
Yes, and my money has been a long way. call your brother. Let him come and give me my money. If you don't want to give me my money, go and bring your scarf. Let me use it and hang myself on this thing. Let me know that I die with my money. Because obviously my money is dead.
Don't worry, you just have to give it a little time before you know the process will be true.
Take my phone and call your brother.
I won't call him.
Eh?
I won't call him. You have to calm down.
Hey! Oh, Kochirigo. So you want my money to go like that? You won't call him. Negum. You won't call your brother. Negum. So it's your plan that you and your brother will connive.
No, don't even trust me.
As I'm talking to you now, your brother might be in Jerusalem or Mexico. He will fly away with my money. He will fly away with my money. If your brother fly away with my money,
why are you saying all these things?
I will be locking this door. Make sure that you do not run away one day.
Me?
Yes. The way it is now, I'm no longer comfortable. One day you will disappear. You will disappear from this house.
I have never stolen from anybody, and I can't even do it with you.
Call him. If this business is genuine, and your brother is genuine brother, if your brother is a genuine brother, call him to come.
When you be cashing out, now you forget about all this.
There is no cashing out here.
Oh God.
Since I came to this place, I have been cashing in. No cashing out. Who does that?
What kind of nonsense?
I will not tell this again. Never.
Thank God I met you at home today.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you aware that the princess, Adana, is in police cell?
Yes, I am.
She complained that you have not visited her even once. She said you should try and see her. Try and visit her. That there is an important message for you.
Important message?
Yes, important message.
Ishebiko, did she tell you? Ishebiko, did she tell you what important message is all about?
No, she did not tell me. She said you should come. She will tell you by herself. I'll be on my way. We are having a council of elders meeting in the palace. Try and see her, please. It's important.
I should try and see her. I think this is a plan to lure me to the police station. So they will lock me up too. I know all these plans are coming from Bianca. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. It's not possible.
Enough of your stupid suggestions. Enough! Oh. But for your information, I am not agreeing to set Adana free from the police custody simply because you said so. Or simply because you think you have driven your point home. I am going to set her free because I believe she's learned her lessons the few days she spent in there. Fine. She will be back. Now listen to me. There are little to the things I can tolerate from anybody, including you, the elders. It is no longer going to be play as usual. The late king may have tolerated all of your excesses, but I, Queen Bianca, won't. Do not take me for granted, for I sting like bees, regardless of who the victim is. Do you have any other thing to say to me?
Oh, man. I've never seen the kind of human being that is Adana. Adana is a bad luck. Right from the first day I met her. She's just a bad luck to me. What kind of human being is that?
One day, you cease to amaze me. Few months ago, you were singing praises and dancing with her name right in this bar. You couldn't even stop talking about how fortunate you were with her. Eh? You even went ahead thinking of marrying the princess. Eh? I don't understand.
My guy, I wasn't with my senses when I did what I did. Eh? I wasn't with myself. You know how it feels when you got a new catch, you know now. You know how it feels. But it's not what I ordered I got. Eh? I can't imagine Adana allowing Bianca from nowhere. Eh? Bianca from nowhere took over Adana's inheritance. Took over her birthright. Took over everything. Possessed Adana's possession. Bianca. Can you imagine?
Bianca is married to his father, the king.
Exactly my point. She is not wise. Adana otherwise. If she's wise, she could have stopped that marriage. She had every opportunity to stop that marriage. But Adana is not wise. She's just too slow for my liking. She's too soft for my liking. Well, Adana make for my liking. Can you imagine Bianca? Eh? Let me tell you something. I am not going to that police station again. In fact, I am not interested in that marriage anymore.
One day, calm down first. Be calming down. See, that girl loves you so much.
See, we are talking about something very important. You are talking about love. Who does love help? Kedonye love will help. Does love put food on your table? Love does not respect. Yeah? Love, what has love done for you? You're talking about love. Love makes a man weak. You can't even do anything when you're there loving. See, if you want her, take. I dash you. I dash you.
Why are you talking like this now? You know I'm a married man.
I dash you now. Say you want her. I dash you.
Did I tell you I need a woman?
Delay can be dangerous. Delay can be dangerous. The earlier we do the needful, the better for all of us. Cause time is not on
You sent for me.
Oh yes. My daughter, you need to retrieve your steps. When one person cooks for the community will finish the food, enjoy it, and even demand for more. But if the community cook for one person, he or she will not finish it.
What are you trying to say? It's not making any sense to me.
My daughter, what I'm trying to say is that everyone is watching. You need to turn from this path you are treading. It is not right.
No, it is okay. I've had enough. This will be the first and last time you will step foot into this palace for this curse. The things I do, the decisions and choices I make are entirely mine.
Bianca, what has gotten over you? I didn't bring you up.
You are beginning to cross boundaries. You're still in my territory, remember? Hence, it's time for you to leave.
What, are you ordering me out of this palace? Is that?
Guards! Guards!
Oh, don't worry, I will leave. I will leave.
He dares questions my decision making. Guards! Guards!
Why did you have to go? Why did you leave me here all alone? If you were here, things would have been different. But I miss you so much. I miss you.
Young man, what is the meaning of this? Huh? What are you doing on this land? Do you realize that this is community land? Huh?
Sir, this land was used to access loan from us.
Access loan from you?
Yes, from our company.
Ha! I don't know about any member of our community accessing loan from your company. So go and meet that person. This land does not belong to a single person. It does not belong to an individual. It's a community land.
Our clients use this land to access our loan facilities. So please, sorry, pardon my manners. This is Agent Mike. He's one of our agents. So as the case may be right now, if our client do not meet up with the deadline, I'm afraid we might be forced to sell this land.
Look, this land does not belong to any single individual. Whosoever access loan from you, go and meet that person. I am the owner of this community. So no land transaction will pass me by. No land transaction will hold without me knowing. So go to whosoever sent you or whosoever you gave money, and collect your money back.
We are just doing our work, sir. Please, if you don't mind, you can excuse us. Please take it out that way.
You are doing your job? All right, I will have to call the police. Or better still, I'll call the youth to meet you here. No, don't worry, I will call the youth. Okay, let me come. I will have to call the youth. No, I will call the youth and the police.
What did I ever do wrong to deserve such wickedness from you? I need you to start talking. What did I ever do wrong to you? I was ready to go all the way with you. I gave you everything. I gave you my love. I gave you my body.
You gave me nothing. You gave me nothing at all. You understand? What you're passing through cannot be compared to what I am passing through because of you. Adana, listen. Listen to me. I am done with this relationship. I quit.
Please. I beg of you. You can't possibly leave me now. I have lost everything. I don't have anyone left. Please.
So do I. No, look at me. Everyone around is gone. So do you expect me to fall to that your nonsense? Okay? I know what I'm passing through because of you. So everyone should carry their cross.
I came. The reason I'm here is to tell you that I am pregnant. I am with your child, Mwakwezi.
Oh, Adana, come off it. Just come off it, okay? Come off it. Please. Just drop it. Eh? Is this some kind of cheap gimmick way to lure me back to you? Or what? Huh?
Do you know what? You can think whatever you want to think. But I want you to know that I am pregnant and you're the father of my unborn child.
It is true. The dead are truly blind. Huh? If only Igwe Nade will see what his precious daughter is passing through right now. Huh? But I told him, I warned him not to marry my daughter. That my daughter is not a human being. A girl whose mother died, given back to, who nearly came out with her legs. God, I wonder why you gave me such a child. Well, it's only you that know. It is only you that know. It's well.
Most of the people in our life today, they are here for their own benefit. For their selfish benefit.
Call your brother. His number is not switched off. Can't you see? It's obvious now, but what about with my money?
It could be network problem.
Hey.
There's nothing to be worried about, baby. It's network problem.
Hey! Let me tell you, there is so much to worry about. Do you understand? Oh, look at my own now. About a network problem. Eh? Your brother has run away from with my money. Check your brother. Google him now. We'll be in Cuba.
Nobody has run away with your money.
Then what is happening? Tell him to come. I will kill myself. Oh.
You just have.
I'm going. If anything happens to my money, I'm killing myself. No, and you are dying together.
You just have to be patient with us. Be patient with me.
Bam, 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 bam. My mother's name is not Patience. It's not Patience. I cannot be patient again. I cannot be patient. Call him now to come and break my money. I don't understand though. I thought you know how this money came. Use your phone. You know how this money came. You know how... Hey,
I know.
Could it be that this money has gone the way it came?
Don't say that. It's too early for assumption.
My village people are after me. Oh. No. Hey!
Baby, it's not connecting.
You see?
It's not connecting.
You see?
Network problem.
Your brother has put his phone off and ran away with my money.
Don't say that. How can you say that?
Don't tell me that. You know this is millions of money we are talking about. And you know how this money came about.
No.
I have lost my family now. As it is now. Once my village people see me, they go No, shoot aside.
No, it's too early.
Shoot aside. That's what they will do to me.
No. Don't say
Are you my village people?
No.
Why are you saying no?
You have to calm down. I've told you this severally. You have to calm down. Relax.
Hey, you have said this relax since that money entered your hand. You have been saying relax.
God.
If I had not given, if I had known, I would have finished this money in club. I'm carrying this money 1 kilometer.
See, when you start enjoying this trading money now, you won't remember.
There will be no enjoyment.
There will be no.
The only enjoyment. Let your brother bring that money. Let me use it and drink stout.
You just have to give it some time. I told you it's a process. Why are you not listening to me, Ebuka?
Start on our come now. Let him bring that money. Let me use the money and drink stout or Henneken. What with Nkwobi and pepper soup? It's better for me that I die with the money in my stomach. Hi, my village people. It's like they have sent this money.
No, nobody has done. Ebuka, calm down.
Are you sure your brother is still alive?
Hey, my love, why you saying?
Let him not die with my money. Let him not die. It's better I die.
Okay, calm down. What do you want to eat?
My money. I want to eat my money.
I told you I need room temperature, dummy.
Sorry, my queen. I'm sorry.
Most of the people in our life today, they are here for their own benefit, for their selfish benefit. They are very careful.
You haven't seen the latest Princess Adana. Oh no, you haven't. In your next life, you would never touch another's boyfriend, even with a pole. I can't wait to see what becomes of you and Wabeza.
It's your responsibility to take care of me and your unborn child. What was it?
What is it now? Is it by force to marry someone? Is it by force? Or you want to count me in your failed plan?
Oh. So you think I planned all of this? Have you forgotten when you were begging me, fooling me around to love you? Have you forgotten? I wish I had known the kind of person you are. I would not be in this kind of...
Bia. I said I do not want again. Stop following me. Mind your business. Go back to the palace.
I will not.
I've told you before.
I said I will not, and I'm telling you again, I can never go back to the palace.
Adana. Stop following me.
What was it? You can't abandon me like this, so you cannot. What was it?
Yes, I did. Has Adana returned?
Not yet, my queen.
Good. Once she returns, tell her to see me at once.
Okay, my queen.
And hey, make sure she doesn't eat anything. And do not do otherwise behind.
Okay, my queen.
You already know what's up before you, isn't it?
I'll do just that.
Good.
Let me introduce myself again.
Oh, yes.
My name is Barrister Jude from Ebet Company.
Ebet?
Yes, exactly. Ebet Company.
Okay.
I'm here in respect to the agreement we had with one of your own, which is your son, concerning the land he used as a collateral to assess our loan facilities. It is due for repayment, and we are yet to know what he has in mind.
What I have in mind, how?
What it means is that the loan is due to be paid back to the company. There are two ways to resolve this. One is to pay back the money with interest, or we sell the land.
Barrister, we do not have any financial transaction with your company. The land in question does not belong particularly to an individual.
Oh no.
It is a community land.
Oh no, here with me are documents showing that we had a transaction with our clients, which is one of your son. So you can go through it.
Just look at. Look at. Look at.
Hey.
Yes.
You can't carry you. Ichie. Lekwanu. Chere. Hey, ọkwa ezigbote ego. Mkpumkpu ego.
Let them see.
Barrister, this is our land.
Hey.
But did Nwabeze at any time say he doesn't know anything about this? Is he denying this transaction? I wonder why you people are surprised. He's not denying it. Give it back to them.
Our community land.
We have to do something. We have to do something.
Sorry, we are here to resolve this matter, not to further more problems.
So what happens is we'll get back to you after we discuss with our son.
You can acquire your son.
It's not about resolving. It's not about discussing with your son.
Yes?
You are right, ma'am. There's a meeting going on in your first compound right now.
Those old fools are holding a meeting behind me without my permission. Get the car.
All right, I'm going.
Yes, good afternoon, Mr. Commissioner. Please, could you send some boys over to the palace? Yes, please. And heavily armed. Thank you. Were you not told I sent for you?
I was. When I returned, you were...
You did what? Which is more important? Me? Or this nonsense you Shut up! And for your information, I don't care. I don't care about you or this fibroid you call a baby growing in your stomach. I don't care. This is my palace and I give the orders. And if you cannot abide or carry out my orders, then you leave! Silly thing. You see the mess you've caused. my royal beads. My royal beads are gone. These royal beads were given to me by your dead old father. You better fix it.
Well, as you can see, these documents shows that we had transaction with our client, which is one of your son. So we apply that you treat the matter as quick as possible. Thank you.
So, Mamele.
Mamele again.
Mamele na about one baby.
Now let me just. Because he's the brain behind that transaction.
Wait.
It's possible.
Bianca, what is the meaning of this? Why are these policemen here?
Oh, you think I won't find out? You think I don't know you evil men are planning to take over the throne of Amakom behind me?
My queen.
You are having a meeting behind me. Shut up.
My queen, no. We are here only discussing about the community land. It has nothing to do with the royal or the family, whatever. Believe you me.
Really? Officers, arrest them for treason. Do your job.
Where are we going? My friend, wait. My daughter, please. My wife just put to bed. A bouncing baby boy. Won't go come. She needs me around her, please.
My daughter.
Don't do me like
my
this.
daughter.
Shut up. Who is your daughter? Do I look like any daughter of yours?
I said you should move.
Officers, wait.
Thank you.
Teach them a lesson here.
Overambitious, Malukwana, onye chife mwata weni akenu. Malukwa, onye chife mwata weni akenu. One day, malumma, imalunja, imatama. Okwana loke jebi nenuwa. Achunu wanike. Okwa loke jebi nenuwa wanena. Achunu wanike. Nkonya diria. Nkemu dirima. Makegi dirigia. Amakom kingdom. Hey. Amakom kingdom. Hey. Delay can be dangerous. Never done your delay can be dangerous. The earlier we do the needful, the better for all of us. 'Cause time is not on our side. Emengwangwa emeradachi makanechi eteka emengwangwa emeradachi.
There's nobody here. There's nobody here. Why are you running?
Yes, there's nobody.
Yes, there is nobody.
Yes.
There's nobody now. Why are you running? Who is pursuing you?
You decided to come back?
Yes. Because this is where my son and I belong. In his father's house. That's why I came back. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
desperation, unable, over ambitious, unable, Malukwana, onye chife mwata weni akenu akagelo ila. Malupa, onye chife mwata weni akenu akagelo ila. One day, malumma, imalunja, imatama, okwana lokeje binenuwa. Achuno wanike, okwa lokeje binenuwa wanena. Achuno wanike, konya diria.
That girl is bad. She's an Obanje.
Evil. That was not what I had. I heard Teresa died of hemorrhage shortly after delivery.
We are saying the same thing.
That's the same thing.
We are saying the same thing.
Ofia.
Eh? Her mother died immediately after her birth. And that is why her father never really liked her.
Yes.
She's an Ogbanje, bad one at that.
Evil child. Oh, come on, my buttocks is on fire. Those policemen, they flogged the hell out of my buttocks. We need to do something about this.
You're not the only one they flogged.
If you are saying we should do something about it, Ndichie, what are we going to do? There's nothing we can do because she's not the queen.
Yes, you can't do anything again now.
But one thing I know is for sure. She has stepped on the toes of her fathers. And she will never go unpunished.
Yes.
Aikro?
To fear kwa.
Igakoro si owere bani ya na
onwana mamu abu owere oshimba no bani afọ
tapu chono
mba no apu no owere aka
agma ko wa ni
apu no owere o mba no ko oshi.
Hey, let's go. Tonya. Come on. I'm not rich. I don't make her. Baby, come. Oh, my darling. Hey, nah. Tonya, my baby, please come on. What's to go? Come and see the alert. Hey, this is money. Eh? Hey, oh. Wait, where are you? Tonya, my baby. Tonya, my darling.
Bianca. Please. I have not eaten since yesterday. I am very hungry. The maids told me that you took the kitchen keys from them.
Do I look like food to you? Besides, what does the kitchen keys got to do with you being hungry?
You are a pregnant woman like me. I believe you understand what I am going through now. My baby has not moved for 3 days now. I don't even know if he is doing okay. Please, if you don't mind, I will also need some money for checkup. Please.
Adana. You need money. If you're hungry, can I give you an advice? I think it is high time you took this pregnancy to the person who is responsible. I mean, he's old enough to take care of you and the baby. The responsibilities are his, not mine. Even my late husband, oh may his soul rest in peace, in his death still provides for myself and my baby.
Bianca, please.
Oh, here we go again.
I beg you in God's name. Have mercy, please.
Sweetheart, you seem not to understand this. You don't understand how things work these days. There is no free food anywhere again. There is no free food even in the palace anymore. If you must eat, then you have to work. Oh yes, the era of free food, it's over.
Okay, it's fine. What do you want me to do? I'll do anything.
Now you're talking like Adana, not the princess. Now go into my room. Pack all the dirty clothes and sheets and wash them. I don't do machine wash. Hand wash.
Bianca, how is that even possible in my condition?
Oh, sweetheart, that is the available work. You can leave it if you don't want it. You can leave it, go hungry and penniless. The choice is yours. I mean, the ball is in your court. It's up to you. It is up to you, darling. Yes, hello. Could you please put me on to the Commissioner for Agriculture? Oh, thank you. Hello, sir. Oh, yes, sir. I'm very well, thank you. And you?
As you can see, I'm rushing to somewhere, so talk fast.
Please, I just need small money to buy akamo and milk for Junior, please.
Junior? Which Junior?
Junior is your late brother's son. Please, if not for anything, for the sake of your late brother, please give me the money.
See,
Let me buy food.
I do not have money to give to anyone. Shishi. Do you understand? The condition that I'm in today, your late husband caused it. If he had not used the papers of that land to assess loan, things would have turned out better.
But you know it's not his fault. It's not his fault at all. My late husband, he has good intention. The person that had bad intention is Ebuka.
Okay,
Ebuka is the one that ran away with the money, please.
Okay, my own now is that I don't have any shishi to give to anybody to buy akam or milk. Or whether I'm work or whatever. I don't know. Please. No, I don't have.
Please, it's not fair. My baby is hungry. My baby needs to eat, please.
Go inside and rest. Let me help you.
Juma, don't worry, I can handle it.
No, let me help you, please.
It's fine.
Oh! My princess. Oh, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. It's just I've been having this sharp pain since last night.
My princess, I think you have to go to the hospital. You have to go check yourself. Please.
Juma, I'm fine. I'll be alright. I'm fine.
Princess, you don't have to worry about the money. It's your father that built that hospital for the community. Please, you have to go check yourself.
Unfortunately, I have lost all of that.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, Princess Adana.
It's fine.
Princess, you see, we are under instructions not to give you any free medical treatment in this hospital. I'm very, very sorry.
Sorry. Doctor, whose instruction? Apart from the fact that my father built this hospital for the community, I am the princess of Omakum Kingdom.
I understand, Princess Adana, but right now, my hands are tied. Permit me to sort the medical bills. That's if you don't have the money. Please.
You don't have to, doctor. It's fine.
Right now, I understand your pain. If I'm in your shoes, I will actually not hold back those tears. I will cry. So it's good for you to cry. But Princess, I will see to your antenatals until you deliver the baby. Please do not say no. Please.
Thank you, doctor. God bless you. Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
But did the doctor tell you who gave those instructions?
Who else? If not the great queen of our land.
My princess, don't worry. I know the gods of our land are going to take control. Even not now, but someday it will surely happen. Please, you have to go in and rest. Please, let me help you.
Mama, don't worry, I'm fine.
You've been washing since.
I said I'm fine.
My princess, I insist. Let me help you. Are you okay? Don't worry, I'll wash the clothes. Are you okay?
Joma, my baby. Oh!
Let me call one of the maids to help
Joma,
us.
be fast.
Let me call somebody. I'm coming.
Be fast.
I'm here.
Please come and help me.
Let's go.
Let's take her to the hospital.
And on whose instruction?
My queen, I'm sorry. The princess is in labor. Sorry.
The princess is in labor, and that gave you the audacity to give instructions in a palace where I rule and reign?
I'm sorry, my queen. She's in labor.
Oh, you palace maid. You know what? Go in there and pack every stricken poverty things of yours out of this palace.
Hey, my queen, please.
Bianca.
My queen, please. I'm sorry, please.
Because of me.
Please, my queen. My queen, please. I'm sorry.
You have 10 minutes to do so.
Hey.
Hey, take me to the hospital for
queen,
checkup.
Please, my queen.
kill your brother.
No.
Please.
It's between me and this thief.
I know.
It's between me. Tell me one reason. Give me one reason that should spare you.
Please.
No, give me one reason.
Please.
Huh?
See, what better? We are going to settle this thing and be careful without hurting anyone. Just we are here for peace. Please.